This video is on a Hayward inline chlorinator, CL200, I think it is, that we got just a year ago. And I last week I tried to unscrew the top and it wouldn't come off, so I thought maybe I had tightened it too much. 3 times I attempted to take the top off. Now the other day, luckily we weren't around this thing, and it exploded, and it was like a bomb going off. Had I been able to ease that lid loose, it would have exploded right in my face. That's how dangerous this is. Why it created a gas chamber like it did, I don't know. But it really just exploded and blew this thing apart. There was chlorine tabs everywhere, and it was loud. Everybody in the neighborhood could hear it. So I hope Hayward will have some kind of answer to this, and if you have one, please be careful, because for some reason gas builds up in these chambers, and they can just explode. There have been instances where people have had to go to the emergency room, not necessarily for the exploding parts, but for the gas, the chlorine gas that totally encompasses you, which can do serious damage to your lungs. So this is warning. And like I said, this is a Hayward in so many parts. CL200.